This is the Motorola Moto G Power 5G 2025. A budget phone that promises 5G speed, long battery life, and solid performance without breaking the bank. Let's see if it delivers. Design and build. The Moto G Power has a clean, minimalistic design with a matte finish that feels surprisingly premium for its price. Display. It comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, great for scrolling and streaming. Performance and gaming. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity, this phone handles daily tasks with ease and can even manage gaming without major hiccups. Camera test. It has a 50MP main camera that captures sharp and colorful shots in good lighting. Battery life. And with a massive 5000 mAh battery, you'll easily get through 2 days on a single charge. The Moto G Power 5G 2025 gives you reliable performance, strong battery life, and 5G connectivity, all without burning a hole in your pocket. Would you pick the Moto G Power 5G over Samsung or OnePlus in this price range? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Mobile's Talk for more reviews. Backhand index pointing right. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing tech family.